When considering packaging for your prescription drug, over-the-counter medication, or nutraceutical, flexible formats and package designs are key to delivering value to consumers and patients. As your packaging partner, Jones Healthcare Group offers innovative options with the capacity and agility you need to advance your supply chain and your business. With multi-product blisters, you can package 2 different medications or nutraceuticals into one convenient blister. There are many ways you can arrange your products using a range of forming and lidding films. From day and night combo packs to more complex daily regimens and different dosage strengths, we have you covered. And the flexibility does not stop there. You can also package different blisters into a single carton. Whether your blisters are single product or multi-product, you can insert your combination into a reverse tuck, airplane tuck, or glued carton. So, now that you know all of the blister packaging options, here's how multi-product blisters and cartons can work for you. Improve shipping and logistics efficiency. Expand available retail shelf space. Customize medicine for consumer and patient needs. Increase convenience for your customers. Differentiate your brand. Let us show you how. Packaging challenges? We're here to help. Book a consultation.